Welcome to this video in which I'll show you how to add a full text to a publication. So first you'll go to the admin section of the website up here on the admin button. Then you'll log in. If you're not already logged in, then you'll be on this main administration site. On the left in the navigation you go to publications and you'll get a list of all the publications in the database. You have to find the one that you want to add a full text to. In this case we'll just take this first one here. And then on the right you press the pencil for edit, and then you'll be on the edit form, which is a pretty long form with all the possible fields a publication can have. Of course you can make changes here as well if there's any you need to make, but what we're interested in is relatively far down on the page, here the full text entry. So here you just press the browse button and pick a PDF for the full text that you want to upload, and once it shows up here you just go all the way down and press save, and it'll upload the full text, and that's how you've added a full text to the publication. As with any other changes, it'll take maybe half an hour or an hour or so for the change to be visible on the main website, but once it is, it'll show the little PDF icon on the left of that entry, and you can download the full text from the website. And if there is already a full text, the full text entry will look like this. It will show the name of the file name of the PDF up here, and again you have a browse button, so if you want you can press that and select a different file and to replace the full text with a new one, or you can press this delete full text button to remove the full text if it was uploaded mistakenly or for some other reason. It'll show it as deleted. If the deleting was a mistake, you can just press it again to undelete it. But if you do delete it and you want that to stick, you go all the way down again, press save, and then the full text will have been removed from that publication. And that's all for full texts from this video. Thanks for watching.